The best place to look for journal articles for a research paper is in an online research database. It can contain journal articles, magazine articles, newspaper articles, financial data, images, music, and more. The FGCU library pays for access to these databases and their content, which means that all FGCU students, staff, and faculty have access to the content as well. You can access the library databases anywhere you have an internet connection. They are all online and accessible using your FGCU email address and password. To get to a database, start at the FGCU library homepage. Click on Databases and choose All Databases to see the entire list. FGCU Library has access to over 300 databases. There are subject-specific databases for psychology, education, business, philosophy, sciences, and much more. So to get started searching, you might need to think about what broad subject area your research topic falls under in order to select a database to search within. You can also look at a research guide for your topic. If you aren't sure what subject your topic falls under, you can use a multi-subject database, such as ProQuest Central or Academic Search Complete, that will cover many areas. Choose multi-subject from the subject list on the databases page and select a database from this list. Now we are looking at the Academic Search Complete database search screen. You can start entering your keywords and search terms here in the boxes. Try and keep in mind that using single words or short phrases will most likely turn up better results than putting in long phrases. Search engines and databases only match the words you enter, so try and think about the kinds of words that might be used in an article and try and avoid phrases that are too specific. Once you get some results, there are lots of ways to look at them. One thing to look at first is how the results are presented to you. Check the sort order to see if results are shown in order of relevance or by date. You can also look over at the other options to limit your results. You can look at articles from a certain date range or from particular types of publications like peer-reviewed or academic journals. To learn a little more about a result in the list, click on the title. You'll see the author's names, the name of the journal or magazine that the article came from, and the date it was published. Many times you will see an abstract or summary of the article that will help you decide if it is relevant to your research. You'll also see subject headings that will tell you what the main topics of the article are and can help you find other articles that have those same subject headings. Online research databases give you the ability to find out what articles have been published on your topic. Not every article you discover in a database will have full text available. It just depends on what journals and publications the library has subscribed to. Some articles in this list have full text attached right here in this database. Other articles may only have a link that says check for full text. This means that the full text or entire article is not available in the database that you are currently looking at, but it may be available in one of the other 300 databases that the library provides access to. The Check for Full Text link will open up a full text finder window that will search all of the library's online holdings and tell you whether the full text is available or not. If the article is available, it will tell you which other databases the article is in, and you'll get a handy link straight to the article.